I'm about to show you guys how to actually become profitable trading Forex in 2024. So let's get into this. So I always get asked, what is the best prop firm? What is the best broker? So the best prop firm is XO Funding, right? If you use the promo code XO50, you'll get 50% off any challenge up to 400K. As for the new broker that I'm using, I'm going to be using CoinNext. Now, this is the only broker that I could find that has good trading conditions and is still using MT4. So you can get started with CoinNext today for 0.001 BTC. That has 1 to 500 leverage and 0.0 spread. No verification required. Get started today. I'll have my affiliate link to both of these companies down below. Now let's get into the video. What up, gang? So we're at the end of 2023 and this year went by fast. Now when I look back at the position I was in this day last year, it's a complete different transformation to where I am this year. It's really unbelievable. I have nothing else I can do but thank God for this blessing, because this is ridiculous. I was trading Forex for years and years, just losing money, blowing accounts, taking funding challenges, going to course, mentorship to mentorship. Nothing was just working. I was really getting to the end of my journey and I was feeling like, does this shit actually work? Like, are they really making money or are they just selling courses? Are they really making money or are they just really just good marketers? Like what's going on? Because I was not winning. It's like I was doing everything right. I studied every course over and over and over and it still didn't work. Sometimes it would work in back testing and then it wouldn't work live, or sometimes it wouldn't work back testing but it would work out live, and then it was just so confusing, bro. I'll have one bad week and all of a sudden I'm trying to find better entries on a lower time frame. I'm trying to take this person's entry, put it with this strategy, use this strategy on this time frame. I tried everything, bro. I was literally like a mad scientist on my damn whiteboard. I had a whole bunch of hieroglyphics on my whiteboard, just trying to figure out a strategy that worked. And once I stopped overcomplicating everything and I just kept praying every day for God to bless me with the strategy I need, I finally found it. And once I found a strategy that got me to break even or like a little bit of profitability, I knew this was it and I need to really dig deep into the supply and demand and really make it work for me, right? And that's what I did. It took me months and months of back testing, trading live, doing everything possible. Everything that I learned, I tried with this strategy and I finally developed what worked for me, right? And what worked for a lot of my students. You know, I think I have the most funded students out of all the Forex community and I only have 12K subs, bro. Like, we barely started blowing up. This whole year we've been at 4 or 5K subs and I've been getting funded traders every damn week, bro. Like, this shit works. So I say all that to tell you that it is possible, even when it feels like there's no light at the end of the tunnel and it feels like everything you're doing is just not working. You're literally doing everything right. You're slaving away hours and hours, losing sleep, losing time with family. Your wife's mad at you because you haven't spent time with her. You're putting all your money into her and you're losing it. And I understand the feeling, bro. That shit, you feel hopeless. You feel like this shit is a scam. I promise you, bro, just keep going, bro. It's just a rite of passage. Everyone goes through this shit. I can't tell you how many students I have that started with me in the beginning of the year and they just kept failing and failing, but they had the mindset. And that's what a lot of people don't have. They had the mindset to keep going, and then they finally started listening to everything I'm saying. When I told them, stop listening to this person, stop watching this person, you need to lock in right here. You shouldn't even be on YouTube watching all these traders. I know you want to see their lifestyle. I know you want to see the Lamborghinis and the trips to Asia and freaking Dubai and all that shit. I understand you want to see that for motivation, but it's gonna lead you down the wrong path. First thing you need to do, stop watching all these traders. Stop it. Stop watching me. If you're learning from someone else, you should not be watching me right now, right? You need to lock in with your mentor. So if you're learning from Doyle Exchange, you need to only be watching him, only be in his Discord, only trade his strategy. If you're learning from me, same thing. You should not be subscribed to no one else. Lambo, Raul, Mamba, none. You shouldn't be listening to none of them. Only lock in with me, right? Unsubscribe from them. Unfollow them on Instagram. I'm telling you, this shit is going to make sure that you stick to your strategy. Think about it like this. You might be trading my strategy. You could have been winning for 4 months straight win streak. You have one bad week and then you go see Lambo Raul make $250,000 in one trade. You're like, oh, I need to know what he's doing. Maybe I can mix it with this. Nope. You just fucked up everything. I'm gonna let you know right now. As soon as you go try and backtest someone else's strategy or someone else's entry, you just fucked up everything. I'm telling you, bro. I've done it millions of times. Even if you're not learning from me, stop watching me until you get your shit together, bro. This is how it's gonna work. The other traders won't even tell you this shit because they probably did it themselves. You have to lock in 100%. Second thing you need to do, You need to learn supply and demand. I keep saying this in every video. Some of you guys do listen and you guys come and you guys get profitable. And I love when you guys tell me you guys get profitable. I'm not just saying this shit for nothing. I can make a simple video going out shopping, buying designer, buying jewelry. That's easy. It's light work. If I could just do that every day, YouTube would be easy. But I like to sit down right here and speak to you guys because I feel like I'm speaking to my old self, right? I know we are the same people. I just figured it out before you. Maybe I started before you. Maybe I worked an extra hour. Whatever happened, I just got here before you. But you're on your way, bro. So when I make these videos, I'm speaking to myself. I'm saying shit that I would have wanted to hear when I was trying to learn Forex. That's what all of this shit is about. Now, the number 3 thing, which is very important, you need to stop being so scared of everything, bro. So many people are so scared. They're scared to take losses. They're scared to invest in a course or mentorship. They're scared to buy a challenge because they think they're going to lose that $300. Bro, stop. This is a business. We're not playing video games here. This is going to change your life and your family's legacy. Stop being scared to invest a couple $100. Like, bro, stop. It's going to take a lot of money for you to put in to get a lot of money out, right? I spent thousands and thousands of dollars, and I know most of you guys did too. You have to spend money to get the knowledge, to get the access to people. Stop expecting everyone to give you handouts. I get so many messages a day, bro. I'm talking about like 20 million fucking messages asking me, can you buy me a challenge? Can you give me my course for free? Can you mentor me one-on-one? Like, bro, nothing is free in this world. I had to pay for everything that I learned. Why the fuck would you get it for free? It doesn't make any sense. Why would I take time away from my daughter and my wife to help you? I don't know you, bro. That's what people don't understand. You guys might think you know us because you watch us, but we don't know you. When you come asking me for $1,000 for rent, why would you think I would do that? I don't know you, bro. What I do to help people is I put the material out. I put the courses out. I do these free YouTube videos. This is me giving back and trying to help you guys because I'm giving you guys real gems in these videos. I'm not just giving you no bullshit that these other YouTubers be doing. I literally give you almost my whole strategy on YouTube. I just leave a couple things out so my course members don't fucking track me down and kill me, bro. But I give you guys everything. Like, I want you guys to win because when you guys win, I win. Like, a lot of these traders, they try to do marketing in a whole different way. They go buy a Lamborghini, they pull up all fast in the video, hey, get my course and all that. No, I don't do that. I want word of mouth. I want the traders that come up under me to be like, he made me successful, you should go with him. That's my marketing skill, by showing profitable traders. That's how I market my shit. Because don't get it fucked up. This is a business. Selling courses and mentorships, that's still a business, right? We want to have multiple streams of income. I just do it the real way. I do it by word of mouth. If you see a profitable trader and he says, oh, I'm profitable because of him, that's the best type of promotion you can get. But if you just pull up in a Lamborghini or a big mansion or a fucking Airbnb talking about get my course and you can have one of these, like, nah, that's bullshit, bro. I don't fuck with that. Now, number 4, when it comes to choosing a mentor, right? Because you might not want to go with me. You might want to go with someone else, right? When it comes to choosing a mentor, you need a mentor that has live trading videos where you see them enter the trade and exit the trade. You want a mentor that's past the FTMO challenge, right? It has to be FTMO because you cannot manipulate those results. FTMO don't even do affiliations with traders that I've seen. So you definitely want to see your mentor at least be able to pass it. Even if they don't use funded accounts, you want to at least know that they're profitable enough to pass that challenge. And number 3, which I don't hear no one talking about, your millionaire mentor should not be in an apartment, bro. Like what the fuck is going on? Like, what are we talking about right now? Like, bro, how are you in an apartment? Nobody wants to live in an apartment. Now, if you have a fucking ocean view or you're in a penthouse or something, that's cool. But your millionaire mentor with a Lamborghini should not be in an apartment. I'm gonna let you know that right now, right? That's number 1 red sign. Like, bro, why don't you have a house, bro? I got fucking, at 5K subs, I had a house. Like, come on, bro. And the last thing you want to look for is you want to make sure that he's gotten some people funded. He's got some people with some results, right? You join my Discord. We just put up a channel called Results or like Achievements, and you're going to see a gang of funded people every fucking week. Like, and we barely made that. If we would have had that before, we would have had like 100,000 people. Like, no cap, bro. Like, we have so many people in there. But those are the things you want to look for when you're looking for a mentor. I don't even remember what number we're on, but the next thing you want to do is whatever course you're studying, you need to fucking study that shit until you're annoyed and sick of the mentor. Like, if you're in my course, you need to study it to where you see me and you just want to throw up, bro, because you just see me and you heard my voice for so many times that you're sick of it, right? That's how you need to be. Like, everything I used to do, I would have the course playing, right? I would watch it. If I had to go to the market or something, I had that shit playing in my ear. Like, all day I would be watching it when I'm eating, whatever I'm doing, I'm watching it. If I'm out at the store or the shopping or something, I have it in my ear playing. I'm hearing my mentor talk to me all day until I could repeat back everything. And you're going to notice every time you're watching, you're going to learn something that you missed on the last one. You need to keep doing it. Next thing is you need to journal all your trades, right? You need to journal everything. I'm not talking about pull your phone out and be like, oh, this trade won twice. No, that's not what I'm talking about. Go to Notion, open you up an account, take a trade, screenshot it, different time frames, screenshot it, lock it into your Notion account, right? You're going to see what happens when I enter on this candle pattern. What happens when I enter at this time on this day? What happens when I look for this entry instead of this entry? And you do that over months and months, and you're going to say, okay, this one wins all the time, but this one usually loses. This one's usually a fake out. And you cut those out, and that's how you become profitable, bro. You have to put in the work. There's no easy way around. You're not going to go get someone's EA or someone's fucking indicator that they're selling and all of a sudden become profitable. It's not going to work that way, I promise you. 9 times out of 10, the trader don't even use that indicator themselves. There is no shortcuts. I'm sorry to tell you this, but there is no shortcuts. You need to put in hours and hours of work. You need to lose thousands and thousands of dollars. It's just the rite of passage. It's just how it happens, bro. But the freedom and the life that you receive and the money you receive after you go through hell, bro, your life is going to be heaven. I'm trying to tell you, bro. Like, the money is ridiculous. It's crazy, bro. And I really want you guys to experience this shit because I hate that people have to work all day, don't get to spend time with their daughters and their families, or people going out to war and they're getting treated like shit when they come back. Fucking homeless veterans and shit when they just gave their life. Like it's just, this world is fucked up, bro. And Forex is the way to get out of that shit, bro. It really is. You shouldn't have to work for fucking $70 a day and $80 a day. You could have been with your family, bro, by just pushing one button. You could have made more than everyone you know. This is different, bro. Like, that's why I tell people, like, what are you complaining about? I was looking for something like this for so long when I was trying to make money. When I started trying to make money around 18, I went through every single thing. And once I found this, I knew it was there. That was it, bro. I wasn't looking at no more shit. I knew this was the way out, and it was. In 1 year, bro, I made, oh my God, I want to tell you guys how much I made, bro. It's ridiculous, bro. Like, you guys can do this shit. 2024 is your year, bro. I need you to claim that shit right now, bro. I don't care who the fuck's around you. Say that shit out loud right now, that 2024 is my year. You need to claim that shit every day. This shit is your year, bro. Everyone had their turn already. This shit is your turn. It's your turn to become successful. It's your turn to walk in your wife or maybe your mother's room and tell them, hey, I did it. I made it. I'm a Forex trader. You need to stamp that shit, bro. Every fucking day when you wake up, when you're brushing your teeth, you need to say, I am a successful Forex trader. I'm the best trader in the world, bro. You need to believe that shit in your heart. Like, really, don't just say it. You have to believe that shit, bro. Because you are. You are that trader. I promise you are. This is your fucking year, bro. You gotta fucking own that shit. This is your year. Do what you need to do to make sure this time next year, when I'm making this video next year, you're like, yeah, I did what you said and I'm successful. Maybe next year at this time, you'll be making this video because now you'll be teaching people because you took the risk. You stayed up all night. You put in the hours. You invested the money that you didn't have and you made this shit work and you didn't make no excuses. Successful people do not make excuses. You can see on the podcast with Mama, this is what we were talking about. Successful people don't make excuses. Whatever the fuck the situation is, we're gonna make it work. Doesn't matter. We're not gonna complain about shit. We're gonna see the situation and say, okay, how do we fix this? You don't have no money? Go get you a job, get you a side hustle to fund this shit, right? You don't have no time? Make some damn time. Wake up earlier. Stop going to the gym for 4 hours. Go for 45 minutes. Put in the work. Stop going out for drinks and shit like that. Maybe you gotta eat bologna sandwiches for a couple months. Do what you gotta do, bro. It's gonna be worth it. You put in 6 months, bro, I promise you your life will be different. But I'm done with the excuses. All the sob stories I get in my DMs, I don't care. I had the worst sob story out of every trader and I made this shit work. So I don't give a fuck what you're saying. I couldn't stand up, bro. I could not stand up. That's a necessity to do anything to make any type of money. I could not stand up and I still made this shit work. So I don't give a fuck what you're saying. I don't care. Make this shit happen. Nobody's gonna give you a handout. Nobody. I believe in you, bro. I believe in you. If no one else does, I do. And who you gonna listen to? One of your friends that's broke as fuck? Or you gonna listen to a successful trader that's telling you that you can do this? Another thing about friends and family, don't surround yourself around losers. Really look at your circle and be like, who is a loser? You do not want to be the 5th loser in a group of 5. I know that's going to sound harsh, like, man, I grew up with this dude, or man, this is my family, but it's just whoever you're around is who you will become. And you might be thinking, how could I be around people that are millionaires when I'm from the hood and I don't know anybody? Well, I had the same question. And what you got to do is you got to use the internet, bro. Right now, this might contradict contradict what I was saying before, but you don't have to be watching traders, right? Listen to successful people. Listen to people who want to get shit done. Listen to podcasts. Listen to audiobooks, right? Listen to people that are positive and trying to make something of themselves. Now, if you have a friend that's trying to make it work, that's good. That's who you want to keep around. You want to keep the entrepreneurs around. You want to keep the grinders around. Or maybe you have a friend that likes to work out and he works out every day. He eats a strict meal plan. Yeah, hang around him. You're going to get healthier. You're going to get right. You hang around a person that wants to smoke weed, drink 40s all day, you're going to do the same shit. That's just what it is. I barely came to that realization not too long ago. My circle is way different now. I used to not have nobody because I cut everybody out. Now I got a couple people in my circle and they motivate me every time I talk to them, bro. Every time I get off the phone with them, I'm like, bro, I need to go work. I need to make this shit happen. And that's what you need around you. You need people to tell you, hey, you're slipping right now, bro. Pick it back up. Let's get right back to work. You're tripping. Oh, when's the last time you uploaded? Nah, that's too long, bro. Go record a video. That's the same shit I do with my homies. I'll tell one of my homies, hey, bro, you're taking too long to get this going, bro. Like, come on now, bro. Like, you're tripping now. Let's get it going, right? Like, we need people to do that because we need someone to keep us accountable and be like, bro, you're slipping right now. Change your circle, bro. If they're on bullshit, cut them out slowly. You ain't got to do it instantly. Cut them out slowly. Stop showing up. Stop answering calls. So that's very important. Make sure you cut everyone out that's not benefiting you. And the last but the most important thing is you need to be praying, bro. You need to be praying. Man, this is the most important thing. You need to pray every single day. Every single day when you wake up, when you go to sleep, when you're just walking down the street, just talk to Jesus and speak to him, bro. Just have conversations with him. I promise you, he's going to lead you to the right mentor. He's not just going to give you a whole bunch of money. He's going to lead you to the right mentor. You might click on this video instead of this video because you've been praying, and that's going to be the video that changes your life. Maybe this is the video that he wanted you to click on, and it only happens because you started speaking to God. I'm telling you, this shit goes deep, bro. This shit goes deep. But that's it for this video. 2024 is your year, and I need you to claim that shit because it is your year. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.